tattoos on. 내줬다. 피아라사. 시대 유에. Amuse. Ta-da! Guys, it looks so pretty. Girl. Let's go with Amuse mirror. I am literally obsessed with the packaging. I love the pink. Yeah. Yeah. Stick it, Navi. Wow. Baby, can you call me back? 100% obsessed. Next one. Girl. So cute. This is so cute. Okay, that is so cute. Like, the packaging and literally everything. Oh. This is the small minis. Amuse. I love how mini it is, so let's open it. OMG, Amuse, you are slaying. Nice, Amuse. I love how mini it is, like, so natural. You should definitely wear this for school. The next one. This is so glossy. 10 out of 10, obsessed. Next one. This is a sunscreen SPF 50 plus PA. Let's open it. This is 100% vegan. I love the sunscreen, how mini it is. Let's try it. Look at the results. Literally obsessed. Like, literally my skin is amazing. Oh, I've been wanting this so bad. Like, I saw one of the girls' ring and it looked amazing. Cute. Look at that. You just tap on it. Ta-da! I'm going to wear this for school. Thank you, Amuse, for getting another sunscreen. I love how mini it is. Ta-da! Cushion. I love the cushion. Wow. Thank you. And thank you for the sample. This is all the products. The boxes. Thank you, Amuse. Bye. Yee! I'm so happy.